Okay, so if at a workspace you have a portfolio system, okay, that's the condition that needs to be met in order for when you run the install market function that you're familiar with. Okay, if you install a market at a workspace where there is a portfolio system present there, what is going to happen is that, and also you need to have the portfolio management project here. The install market procedure is going to create a new type of task related to portfolio manager. Okay, it's going to create the necessary task to run a portfolio manager bot. Okay, you also need, of course, the portfolio mine. Okay, is equivalent to a trading mine, and the portfolio engine that is the equivalent to the trading engine. So you need these three pieces in order for all the connections to be made. But at least with this one, the install procedure is going to try to make all the connections. Probably it's going to get it incomplete because it won't find these guys. Okay, so with these three guys, then the install market will make the setup for you, including all the charting infrastructure. Okay, if you go to charting space, you will also have charts defined for portfolio manager bot. Okay, so this is so far very similar to what you are doing already with trading bots. um, so what's next?